Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal for contactless payments. This method allows you to pay in stores using your mobile device, much like other digital wallets. Instead of tapping a card, you'll use a unique QR code generated by the merchant. It's a secure and efficient way to complete purchases, offering a modern payment experience right from your smartphone. Let's dive into the simple steps. First, make sure you have the latest version of the PayPal app on your smartphone. Open the app and log into your account. Next, verify that you have a preferred payment method, such as a bank account or credit card, linked and confirmed. This ensures funds are available for your purchases. Finally, enabling location services can help the app identify nearby participating merchants, streamlining your experience. When you're ready to pay, simply open your PayPal app and tap the Scan/Pay icon. The app will activate your camera. Point your camera at the merchant's PayPal QR code displayed at the checkout counter. Once scanned, the transaction details, including the amount, will appear on your screen. Review the information, confirm the payment, and your purchase is complete in just a few seconds. Using PayPal for in-store payments offers several advantages. It's a highly secure, contactless method, reducing the need to touch shared payment terminals. All your transactions are conveniently recorded within your PayPal activity, making budgeting easier. Remember, this method relies on the merchant having a PayPal QR code available. Always confirm their acceptance before initiating your payment for a smooth checkout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.